Good morning, children. So, today we are going to write the answers to the worksheet number 6 as we have learned in our previous class. We have seen in our previous class about a boy, Jadab Malai. He is known as the forest man of India because he planted number of trees and made his barren land as a forest. Because of his great efforts, government named the forest as Malai Forest in Assam. Now let us write the bits related to it now. A bit, choose the correct options. First one, Malai found the dead snakes. The options are near the dead trees in the Brahmaputra river or near the bank of the Brahmaputra river. So among these three, which is the correct one? Where did he found? He found the dead snakes near the bank of the Brahmaputra river, at one of the corner of Brahmaputra river. Second one, the snakes had died due to A. A flood caused by Brahmaputra river, too much heat, C. Hunger. Why did the snakes die there? The snakes died because of heat. So the option B is right, too much heat. Why there is a too much heat? Because they don't have the proper trees there. C. Now third one. The government launched a scheme. Option A, for tree plantation. B, for the protection of snakes. C, to stop floods. The government launched a scheme for tree plantation to plant the number of trees. Fourth one. After the project was completed, option A, Malai left but all the other workers stayed back. B, Malai left for his village with all the other workers. Option C, all the workers left but Malai stayed back. So here everyone left the village after the completion of their project, but he stayed back. He lived there itself. So all the workers left, but Malai stayed back. This option is right. Now fifth one. The forest which Malai planted was named. So what was the name of the forest? Option A, after Malai himself. B, after the Brahmaputra river. C, Jorhat forest. After means because of their name, they named it as the forest. The name of the man is Malai. After his name or after the because of the river which is located at that place or the district in which that forest is located. They named here it as Malai forest after his name. Option A is right. B bit now. Match the words in A with their correct meanings in B. So here that we are going to match with their meanings. So we have the three words. What are those? First one, bank. Second one, seedling. Third one, forest. The options given are in the B column: A. Large area of land thickly covered with trees. B. The side of a river and the area near it. C. A young plant that has grown from a seed. So which one suits for the first one? Bank means the side of the river and the area near it where the people can stand or the place for rest is known as the side of or the side of a river or the bank of a river. Seedling. Seedling means as if you are planting, then it grows into a new plant from a seed. Because of this, we call it as seedling. Planting a seed which grows into a plant. Forest. The area which is covered with number of trees. We call it as a forest. So option A is right for the third one. Bank B, seedling C, forest A. Hope that everyone understood this. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.